Okay, this is part 2. I didn't realize my camera quit recording and it hit 10 minutes. That's why the first part of the video cut out like that. It's a brand new camera. I was just getting ready to show you some patterns that I started out with the pattern to get 2 of them in it. So I moved the center one twice and then the center vertically twice. Not the center. I'm sorry. The center horizontally twice, and then the little U twice, and then the center horizontally twice again, and then the little U twice again to get the 2. And I'm flipping it sideways, so these are horizontal of each other and doing the same thing. In my first video, I went in and tried to put these in there, what I'm doing, and I can't figure out how to get the little bubbles to last longer, so you actually have time to read it, so you'll probably just have to pause it. I'll mess around with it more and see if I can figure it out. After I get one side done, I'm actually getting 2 sides done because I'm doing the opposite across from it because I'm always moving them 2 at a time. And I'm just going to turn it this way and do the same thing. Yeah. And once you have that on there, the pattern that I did in the first one to get the 4, if I do that now, I'll have a complete circle. So it'll be the same color on the inside will be blue, and then a green square, and then a blue square, because the pattern will change just those 4. This is how you start building on it, is knowing just these small ones to get 1 and 2, or just to get 2 of them this way, or all 4 of them, just stuff like that, and then combining all these just really small ones together to make your own patterns. So I'm trying to show you here. So I'm gonna do the algorithm to get the 4 of them, and show you to get the square. That's the inside left twice, inside right twice, the little U twice, and the inside left twice, inside right twice, and the little U twice again. So I just combined the pattern to get 2 of them, and flipped it, and did the pattern to get the same 2 again, and then did the pattern to get the 4 to come up with this. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And I gotta do it one more time. So there's 6 sides. I do 2 of them every time I do it. I'll do this one a little slower again so you can see what I'm doing. Little L twice, little R twice, little U twice, little L twice, little R twice, little U twice. You could also get the same pattern by doing the algorithms that you use on the 3x3, with just doing the center first to switch this one, and then treating all 3 of these as the center and rotating it the same way that you did with this one, but these three pieces together. So your break lines are here, 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 and here. And then you can get it with different colors on there too. But those are all algorithms that you know if you do it, that you can do on the 3x3. From here, you can do just the center two. We'll switch this one. Actually, all the ones in it, this will be flipped, so they'll turn this one red and these ones out of it. So if I do the center twice, or center horizontally twice and center vertically twice, then it gives you this diamond shaped pattern. And I'll turn it this way. And you have, when I did the second one there, it already did on this side, so I only have to do the vertical one. And now I have that diamond pattern on every side. And then just do the exact same thing to put it back as you did to get it. You don't have to worry about inverted or anything because you're rotating every time you turn something, you're turning it twice, so it doesn't inverted or regular both end up doing the exact same thing. And I'm just going to see what will happen if I do the one to get the 4. I did the one to get these 4, so it's just switched it around. And I can turn it and do the same thing. I don't even know what this is going to do now. I'm just building on it like I did before. And it puts my 4 outside ones. That's kind of cool. Just a big pickaxe. I don't even really know how I did it. I have to go back and... Oh, I guess it's the same thing as I had before with just the 4. Sometimes I have to look at it to recognize it. I'm kind of making this up as I go. Basically, the point of the video is just to show you the small patterns so you can do this part on your own with making these up. So to get it back, if you have the square, I'm just going to go back one step at a time. First I'm going to take these 4 corners out, or I could just take these ones out first, it doesn't matter. If I want to take these ones out, then I do the one to get the 2 of them. So it's the center and then the top, then the center and the top, and turn it this way. Do the center one, the top one twice, the center one twice, and the top one twice, and then I got the 4. I could have done it the other way and taken the 4 out first and then the 2. It doesn't matter. I guess that's about all that I've got to show you. That's just figuring out a couple pieces at a time how they move, and then you put them together yourself and you can make your own patterns. I'll fix this and then